Did you know this thing you are producing? It is only inec that has right to produce it.
I don't know.
You don't know? And they are using it in the north, in the east.
In the east, you know, we did some jobs for them.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, God, please.
Yes, because I'm calling the police right now.
Hey,
I'm calling the police right now that the inec something they want to use in the east, you are producing it in Lagos here.
God, please. I don't.
So who gave you this project?
No, we did some job for white people.
Yeah.
White people in the east.
Yes.
That's how to vote and all those things.
Okay. Who is white people?
Senator. One senator.
One senator.
Let me show you the job. Please. God, please, I don't know anything about this, so please. But I'm serious. I don't know anything about this. Let me just show you.
I just want you to clear yourself that something you said they want to use it in the east,
yes,
and you are producing it in Lagos.
Well, we are supposed to send this thing by 9. I don't know anything about it. Please, Daddy, I beg, let me show you the jobs that we've been doing. We did some jobs, sir.